Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In this tutorial, I am going to guide you step by step on how to set up an L2TP over IPsec site-to-site VPN on MikroTik routers. Whether you are managing a network for a business or need a secure connection between two locations, this video will walk you through the entire process, from configuring IPsec policies to establishing a secure VPN tunnel. Make sure to follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional and secure site-to-site VPN on your MikroTik routers. Let's get started. Step 1. Create L2TP profile, secret and server. First, access MikroTik router via Winbox. Next, go to P, then click on the Profile tab. Click the plus button to add new profile. Next, set the name of the profile, then specify local IP address and remote IP address of the site-to-site tunnel. Next, set the DNS server address. Go to Protocol tab, then choose Encryption Used to Yes. After that, go to Limit tab and choose Only One to No. Next, navigate to the Secrets tab in the P window. Click on the plus button to add a new secret. Next, set the username and password for L2TP client. Select L2TP from the Service drop-down menu. Next, select Profile you created in the Profile tab. Next, go to Interface tab. Click the L2TP server. Next, click the Enable checkbox. Next, select the profile you created earlier. After that, choose Use IPsec to Yes, then enter IPsec secret. Click Apply OK. Step 2. Configure Firewall. In the next step, we will configure Firewall rule for allowing IPsec and L2TP traffic from the outside network. Go to IP, then click on the Firewall. In the Filter Rule tab, click the plus button to add new rule. Next, select Chain to Input. Then select Protocol to IPsec ESP. Next, select In Interface to WAN. Select Action to accept. Next, click plus button again. Create a rule to allow L2TP traffic for UDP ports 1701. Next, click plus button again. Create a rule to allow L2TP IPsec traffic for UDP ports 4500. Next, click plus button again. Create a rule to allow L2TP IPsec traffic for UDP ports 500. Step 3. Configure L2TP client on Site B. Next, access your Site B MikroTik router via Winbox. Next, go to Interfaces, click the plus button, then select L2TP client. After that, set the name of the L2TP client interface. Next, go to Dial Out tab. In the Connect to field, input your L2TP server site 1 WAN IP address. Next, input L2TP username and password. After that, enable Use IPsec, then input IPsec secret you created on server router. Click Apply OK. Next, go to Status tab where you can check the status of L2TP connection. In the L2TP server P window, you can see the active connections under the Active Connections tab. Step 4. Configure static routing. Next, we will implement a static route on Site B, which will facilitate access to the local network of Site A from the MikroTik device located at Site B. On the Site B router, go to IP, then click on Route. Next, click the plus button to add new route. Input MikroTik Site A local network on the DST address field. Next, enter 10.0.0.0.1 Site A IP address on the gateway field. Click Apply OK.